sprawling and serene Krishna River forms the border between the two states of Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. New National Highway NH 167K between Kalvakurti to Nandiala crosses the river Krishna near Somasila, famous for Sri Lalita Someshwara Swami Temple on Telangana side and near Sangameshwaram Temple on Andhra Pradesh side, through the proposed iconic bridge. The bridge is located in a picturesque landscape with sprawling Sri Sailam Reservoir surrounded by Nalamala forests and hills. This proposed iconic bridge would be the gateway for both the states and will help promote tourism besides improving connectivity. With this bridge, the connectivity gets completed, reducing the distance between Hyderabad in Telangana and places like Nandiala, Tirupati, Chennai, etc. by a whopping 80 kilometers. When seen from Somasila, the bridge presents an iconic view, which is unique in its aesthetics. Appropriate junctions and lane reductions are designed to allow entry and egress from NH to Somasila Temple. On Andhra Pradesh side, also appropriate junctions and lane reductions are created to allow entry and egress from NH to Sangameshwaram Temple. The proposed iconic Krishna River Bridge is technologically unique with use of hybrid suspension cum cable-stayed structural arrangement. Clear span of 480 meters between supports and balancing spans of 192 meters on either side, with clear navigational height of 30 meters. The bridge blends beautifully with the scenic surroundings. The four-lane bridge welcomes you through the pylons, inspired by gopurams of South Indian temple architecture. The pylon rises up in a series of receding stories like the talas of gopurams. The top section also exhibits design resembling the gopurams of the South Indian temples. The Kirti Mukhas inspired silhouette on two edges and one in center of the barrel in elevation displays the state emblem. Travel on the bridge across Krishna River in the midst of a scenic landscape creates a beautiful and long-lasting experience. Along the sides of the road, a ramp leads down to the pedestrian walkway below the vehicular deck. The box section of the road bridge is made into a series of arch trusses. The pedestrian walkway is 2 by 3.45 meters with series of benches for sitting along the length of the bridge. Full height protective rails on the edge allow pedestrians to enjoy the scenic river and landscape along with the view of temples. The space between the two pathways is a walkway with glass decking. This is the longest pedestrian glass bridge across a river in the world. This glass bridge provides the view of the Krishna River below. This glass bridge will attract tourists from all over as it is going to be an experience of its kind in the world. The entrance and exit points of this pedestrian bridge are also designed as gateways. The entire pedestrian bridge along with the entry ramps are physically challenge friendly, allowing wheelchair, electric cart movement between two ends. When seen from Sangameshwaram Temple, this bridge gives a closer look of the bridge form. The whole bridge is illuminated with special facade lighting to give travelers, tourists and pilgrims a unique experience at night. These combination of gopurams like pylons and hybrid suspension cum cable stayed structural arrangement, the glass pedestrian bridge all put together makes this bridge an iconic bridge, never done anywhere before.